Good afternoon, madam. My name is Nurul Sharafana binti Muhammad Riza. Today, my partner Shamina Suwari and I will present to you about the graph. The introduction. First, consumption defined as spending for acquisition of utility is a major concept in economics and is also studied in many other social sciences. It is seen in contrast to investing, which is spending for acquisition of future income. Second, product and service that are bought and used in the country that make or offer them. The book of value creation and employment occurs in the production of goods and services for domestic consumption. And last, a stock is a type of investment that represents an ownership share in a company. Investors buy stock that they think will go up in value over time. First, I'm going to talk about these two pie charts, show about the domestic consumption and stock of rubber during May 2019. In the first part, the total of domestic consumption is 43,546 tons, while the sum up for the stocks is 1,765,520. As we can see, the lowest numbers of domestic consumption is tires and tube by 6%. Rubber glove has the majority part of consumption is rubber by 75%. The percent of rubber thread is slightly higher than tires and tubes. Now, let's move on to the second part of the pie chart. The title of the pie chart is Stocks on May 2019. As you can see, the percentage of rubber processor is the highest, which is 82%. The percentage of rubber steel is the lowest, which is 1.1%. Next, the percentage of stocks of rubber steel is considerably lower than rubber consumers. Now, I will pass the presentation to my partner. Thank you.
Good morning, Madam Tracy. My name is Shamishwari Muthukrishna and my matrix number is 060KA19F1049. I will be continuing the presentation. The title of the next graph is Export that countries made on May 2019. The highest rate of export is made by China, which is 50.50%. This is because China has larger number of dominant industries that create product and materials to export. Next, the lowest rate of export is made by Finland, which is 3.20%. Iran's export rate is slightly higher than USA and Finland's export rate is slightly lower than USA. Germany's export rate is higher than Iran by 7.5%. Moving on to the next graph. The title of my second graph is Production of Rubber by Main Producing Countries on April 2019. Okay. The largest production is made by Indonesia, which is 310 tons. It is because half of the land in Indonesia is producing rubber. The lowest production is made by Philippines, which is 6.3 tons. Sri Lanka produced slightly more rubber than Philippines, and Malaysia produced slightly lower than India. From all four graphs, we can conclude that the global economy provides linkage between regions and nations of the world. The global economy is depend on the country's contribution on export, stock, and so on. Without this, the world's economy will drop and will be facing a lot of financial crises. Thank you.